Welcome to today's class on vector analysis. Today we discuss some problems on arc length parameterization. We do problem number 11 and remaining problems are homework for you. So problem number 11. Given that r of t equal to 4 cos t I plus 4 sin t j plus 3 tk 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to pi by 2. We have s of t is equal to integral 0 to t modulus of v of tau d tau. V of t is equal to minus 4 sin t I plus 4 cos t j plus 3k. Therefore, modulus of v of t is square root of 16 into sin square t plus cos square t plus 9. So that is equal to square root of 16 plus 9. So that is root 25. That is equal to 5. Therefore, s of t is equal to integral 0 to t 5 d tau. So this is 5 tau from 0 to t. So this is 5t. That is, the arc length parameter is s of t equal to 5t. Now we have to find the length of the curve r of t from 0 to pi by 2. We have to find the length of the curve from 0 to pi by 2. Because 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to pi by 2. It is actually equal to, which is equal to s of pi by 2 minus s of 0. So this is equal to 5 pi by 2 minus 5 into 0. So this is equal to 5 by 2 pi. So this is the arc length. The remaining problems are homework for you. Now we do a problem. Question: find the arc length parameterization of the helix r of t equal to cos ti plus sin tj plus tk from t equal to 0 to t. Solution: we have to find r of s. Given r of t equal to cos ti plus sin tj plus tk. So first we find the arc length parameter s. We have s of t is integral 0 to t. Here t equal to t not equal to 0. So 0 to t modulus of v of tau d tau, since t not equal to 0. So we have v of t is minus sin t I plus cos t j plus k, since r of t is cos ti plus sin t j plus tk. Therefore, modulus of v of t is square root of sine square t plus cos square t plus 1. So this is root 2. Therefore, s of t is integral 0 to t root 2 d tau. So this that is equal to root 2 tau from 0 to t. So this is root 2 t. That is s is equal to root 2 t. So this implies t is equal to s by root 2, that is t of s is equal to s by root 2. We have r of t is cos ti plus sin tj plus tk. Therefore, r of t of s, that is equal to cos s by root 2 I plus sin s by root 2 j plus s by root 2 k. That is r of s is equal to cos s by root 2 I plus sin s by root 2 j plus s by root 2 k. So this is the reparameterization of the helix cos ti plus sin tj plus tk in terms of the arc length s. So this is known as the arc length parameterization of the helix in terms of the arc length s. Now we can observe that arc length is independent of parameterization. So we have r of t equal to cos ti plus sin tj plus tk, and r of s, that is equal to cos s by root 2 I plus sin s by root 2 j plus s by root 2 k are two parameterizations of the helix. Now you consider the length of the helix from 0 to 2 pi in both cases. So we have L equal to integral 0 to 2 pi modulus of v of t dt, that is equal to 2 pi root 2 from our previous discussions. In case of the parameterization, r of t is equal to cos ti plus sin tj plus tk. If we consider r of s equal to cos s by root 2 I plus sin s by root 2 j plus s by root 2 k, then when t equal to 0, s is equal to root 2 t, that is equal to root 2 into 0, so that is equal to 0. When t is equal to 2 pi, s is equal to root 2 into 2 pi, so that is 2 pi root 2. Therefore, L equal to integral 0 to 2 pi root 2 modulus of V of s ds. So we have R of s is cos s by root 2 I plus sin s by root 2 j plus s by root 2 k. Therefore, V of s, that is equal to dr by ds. This is equal to minus 1 by root 2 sin s by root 2 I plus 1 by root 2 cos s by root 2 j plus 1 by root 2 k. Therefore, modulus of V of s is square root of 1 by 2 sin square s by root 2 plus 1 by 2 cos square s by root 2 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to square root of 1 by 2 into sin square s by root 2 plus cos square s by root 2 plus 1 by 2. So this is square root of 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by 2. So this is root 1, that is equal to 1. Therefore, L equal to integral 0 to 2 pi root 2 modulus of V of s ds, that is equal to integral 0 to 2 pi root 2. Modulus of V of s is 1 ds. So this is s from 0 to 2 pi root 2. So this is 2 pi root 2. That is, the arc length is independent of the parameterization. Now you have some problems as homework. So problem number 18 is a homework for you.